Kumachielo nyakwaro mgajuang sirikal loyango ni chenro mar bero halap ndeke ma JKIA madhi bedo chenro mokwongo ma idhi sir gi aguch omenda ma dongruok National Infrastructure Fund ma jatend piny Kenya William Ruto opodho chik mare kawuono bang' kane okadhe gi jood bura. Tendo yango ni alap ndeke no idhi ketne e kind siling bilion 15 nyaka 20. Kaka jafwambo mar Walter Nyambaga lero, Ruto opoyo okang' mar jood bura keto chik makoro dhi tayo kaka itiyo gi aguluno masani geto yo siling trilion 5 ne dongruok madonje pacho ka kowuok e ofuke joket mwandu.
That the expansion of the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport will be the first major project financed through this new model of financing under the National Infrastructure Fund. Just so that you know, and again, it looks too exact to be real, we just announced the contract for the expansion of Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Between 15 and 20 billion shillings from the National Infrastructure Fund, from the proceeds of the Kenya Pipeline IPO, will go to financing the seed money for the expansion of Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. We will put in our 15 or 20 billion, pension funds, insurance companies, other collectives. You have the opportunity to invest.